Serikali ya Kenya nigegendete kubika emirobelio yo Gokinia ECHIRO yebitungetie oburimi ayangobwatikana n'omwaziri w'oburimi Mutahi KAGWE oyore ase etaro yemirimo asense ya China Julia Obuba na mange
Wokwana sege ikarana bobsabe bango bense ya China imeyo mochio Beijing KAGWE niga sabire nse yuo kwarobye bango bakorusie kawa echae chi avocado na boiga maembe yense ya Kenya akoni gwaroro.
Research organization is the premier organization that does a lot of research for us, and it is the one that approves the products from China that we use in Kenya. There are quite a few technical details that need to be worked out or are still being worked out. On our part, what we would like to do is to bring to life the agreement that was made in your country by both presidents, and indeed we would like to do so in the soonest possible time. For us, it's very important for two reasons. Number one, as you know, the balance of trade is very heavily skewed on the Chinese side, and we would like to feel that we are also sending products to China. And in so doing, our people will also appreciate that China is a partner. We have got only one side, that is not a partnership. In addition to that, we have a memorandum of understanding that we have to set up.
Naboigo nigo kasabire chinse chibere wanchira bana inchi babo gotarirana na gukora masomo unenchera yemo yo Gokinia obwama.
And we would like also to expand the relationship in agriculture sector. We are particularly keen in the area of research, training, in the area of improving our agricultural qualities, particularly on the technical training level. And therefore, as I repeated, to bring the agreement to life, we would like to see, for example, some of our people come for very short-term training courses. We don't want them very long courses, we want short-term courses that expose them to certain things. And then they come back, and we are happy to take the same. The same applies to our research scientists. We like to attach them to some research areas in China. And we are also happy to cooperate in strengthening, and we would like to strengthen our side of the research area and the colleges area. I think there is a lot that we can do, and I believe that your being here is symbolizing that we are ready to do so on our part. We are very happy to have you. We want to continue expanding our cooperation, and I'm sure that at the technical level, our people will resolve all the pending issues. The only thing we ask for is we do it quickly. There are some decisions, some applications that have been reviewed for more than 2 years, and we are really keen on making this one possible.
Julia Obuba, Insoko TV.